In this short video, I'm going to show you how to send SMS or email to very specific person or to group of people. So let's say, I need to inform Tom about something and only he has to receive that message. So what you can do, you can go inside his profile and then create a specific tag. And remember it. In this case, what I did, I created a tag called Firepush. As soon as you create, it might take a couple of minutes to synchronize with Firepush, but basically if you go to SMS promotional campaigns or to email promotional campaigns, scroll a bit down and then you will have possibility to add filter called tagged with. In this case, what I did, I choose tagged with and wrote Firepush. So system filtered out everybody who has this tag. So in this case, we have 3 recipients. And so this is a way how you can send SMS or email to very specific person or group of people. Hope it helps, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us. Cheers!